As a dermatologist, one of the most frequently asked questions is when should I start using targeted anti-aging products and which ones to use? As you guys know, we start losing collagen from our skin in our late 20s and 30s, and this becomes more prominent in our 40s and beyond. The signs of sagging, deep wrinkles, and uneven skin tone become more prominent with age. So the key here is to pick right products that not only helps to hydrate the skin, but also restore firmness and help to target specific concerns of skin aging. So for today's video, I am super excited to be partnering with one of my favorite Japanese brands, Shiseido, on their Vital Perfection line, a line of products that's been clinically designed with formulas to help visibly firm, lift, and target deep wrinkles and dark spots. As always, everything I share is based on science, clinical research, as well as my own experience as a dermatologist. So let's get into it. So first, we want to restore radiance and firmness across the face using Shiseido Uplifting and Firming Advanced Cream. This is beyond just a moisturizer. It comes in a beautifully packaged, like regal violet, blue, and gold packaging that, number one, is just beautiful to look at. When I look at this cream moisturizer, it really embodies that whole concept of just self-care in the sense, there is something to be said about luxury skincare really combines that user experience with science. And I feel like this moisturizer, this whole line, Vital Perfection line, really embodies that. Not only is it beautiful to look at, it feels like you're treating yourself when you're applying this product. The user experience is lovely, but it's also paired with amazing science and formulation. So this moisturizer helps to restore firmness, elasticity, and radiance. And I love this type of texture. It is really the ideal type for my skin in this sense. Many of us with more dry skin, and we tend to get dry with age, some people call it more mature skin, we just don't make enough lipids. That shift actually changes with age. So using a more nourishing, rich moisturizer can really help to support our skin barrier. It's rich and nourishing. It's kind of this pillowy, soft texture that's silky smooth, but it's not greasy, heavy, or occlusive. It doesn't make your face feel like it's suffocating. In fact, it's also non-comedogenic, so great even if you're a little bit more hormonally or acne prone, which sometimes we can get with changes in hormone with age as well. So texture-wise is absolutely lovely. It's just perfect for nighttime use to help support our barrier when we sleep, but also light enough during the day and layers nicely under sunscreen. I also love that this moisturizer has a little bit of slip. So as you're applying, you can do a little bit of relaxing massage to not only support and lift, but also improve its absorption. Now, formulation-wise, it's super cool. And this is the one thing I really love about Shiseido is it really kind of combines the traditional East with medicine from the West and the science from the West. So really combines the best of both worlds. It utilizes a lot of plant-derived ingredients that have strong history in Asia, including safflower red, which is a trademark ingredient from Japan, grown exclusively in Japan to help lift, firm, and make your skin tone more even. Ginseng root extract. We know ginseng is really popular in Asia. It's used in China, Japan, and Korea for many benefits: health, skin, and hair, and really helps to boost natural collagen production, leaves your skin feeling firm, brighter, and also at the same time supporting your skin barrier. Other fruit extracts that help to improve elasticity, firmness, and helping to improve hyperpigmentation. And then lastly, caffeine, which is a great antioxidant, helps to brighten the skin and improve the appearance of wrinkles. Next, we want to target puffiness and loss of firmness around the eyes. I feel like periorally, signs of aging is one of the first places to show up in this sense, like dark circles, puffiness, dryness, crow's feet. All of that can contribute to just you looking more tired. And having a specific eye cream can definitely be helpful, and one that I actually recommend to more mature skin. When you're in your teens and 20s, you don't need an eye cream. But as we get older, an eye cream can really be helpful because they're specifically designed for the eye area that tends to be more sensitive with ingredients that can help to address the underlying concern. Now, certainly eye creams alone are not going to effectively address all of the concerns, but it can work really well, especially if your concerns are mild, or pair and complement appropriate in-office procedures to make you look more refreshed and rejuvenated. So this is where the Shiseido Uplifting and Firming Advanced Eye Cream that is new can be helpful, using ingredients specifically designed to target the periorbital concerns like retinol for wrinkles, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and then blend of other ingredients that can help to address puffiness as well as upper eyelid sagging. Now that is very unique because many of the eye creams are just really meant or have been tested only on the under eye. This one have been used, shown to be effective for upper and lower eyelids. And I really love the texture because it's nourishing and rich, hydrating, but not greasy or heavy. And it actually layers really nicely under like makeup. It helps my concealer not cake because it keeps my under eye hydrated. And I love the fact that it comes in this really cute metal roller that helps you apply the product. And as you're massaging it, the cooling tip and that roller really helps to depuff the eyelids at the same time. In addition to retinol and hyaluronic acid, contains a blend of plant-derived extracts, including but not limited to matsu, angelica root, and olive root, all together working synergistically to reduce appearance of under-eye bags, signs of fatigue, helping to re-energize the skin, making the skin visibly look more lifted, hydrated, and overall you looking less tired and just more refreshed. I love the fact that it's been clinically proven to reduce the appearance of eye sagging, wrinkles, and dark circles in just 1 week. And it's also ophthalmologist and dermatologist tested. Lastly, we're going to target deep wrinkles and dark spots using the Intensive Wrinkle Spot Treatment A+. This is a new product and is going to be your most concentrated treatment, one that is really going to address specific areas of concern. So going back, we got the moisturizer that we're going to put all over, that's going to improve our overall skin quality and radiance. We got the eye cream that's meant to design and address the concerns regarding the delicate areas of our eyes. Now this one is a retinol-based spot treatment that is really designed for deeper concerns like deeper lines, for example, nasolabial folds, marionette lines, perioral lines, crepey neck, or even maybe deeper crow's feet that you want to address. And this product contains retinol. Retinol is one of the most effective ingredients. I mean, you guys have heard me talk about it so many times. It's really one that I feel like, if anything, everyone should be on to help improve signs of skin aging. And when it comes to retinol products, the formulation really does matter. You want to make sure that you're getting the right product, right formula to enhance the stability of the formulation, but also the benefits and its efficacy. So this product from Shiseido uses pure advanced retinol that is stabilized. So you know that the product is there, it's not degraded, but also it is effective and yet gentle. It's not comedogenic, so it doesn't clog pores, but it's also formulated in a way that is less irritating, so you can safely use it around your mouth and other areas without worrying about breaking out or getting more irritated. In addition to pure retinol and plant-derived extracts, also has an ingredient that is unique and developed by Shiseido technology, and that's called 4-MSK. This is actually a tyrosinase inhibitor that helps to reduce pigmentation, thereby reducing dark spots and the appearance of uneven skin tone. The texture is lovely, it's nourishing, moisturizing, but not heavy and greasy, and it's gentle enough where you can actually use it twice a day, including the morning. Just don't forget your sunscreen. Lastly, I just want to mention the order of application. It's actually quite unique and different from the way we talk about traditional skincare in the sense, after cleansing, you actually want to put the moisturizer on first, then the eye cream, and then lastly, the targeted spot treatment. And then of course, in the morning, your sunscreen. So slightly different from how we tackle skincare routine with traditional products, but also, which is why I love about the Vital Perfection line. With just 3 products that you can actually use both morning and night, you can effectively and gently target signs of aging, deep wrinkles, uneven skin texture, and skin tone. And at the same time, simplifying your routine so you don't have to be overwhelmed, but also with the beautiful packaging, it really embodies that self-care component, which is much needed for us women who are 40 and beyond. As always, I'll make sure to link the products in the description box below. Let me know what you think about these lines. If you've tried them, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Or if you have any comments or questions about skincare, 40s and beyond, please let me know in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.